Sén Velor, Sén Velor. I walk the trail where the spirits go, above the valley, above the snow. The ancient dust is beneath my feet, where the earth and the heavens meet. I don't look down, I don't look back. Gold is the light on my hidden track. My hands reach out to touch the sky as ancient whispers are passing by. I draw the power from the cosmic stream, live in the truth beyond the dream. I feel the pulse of 1,000 years, washing away all my mortal fear. Patrzysiu marszirajući ritam, padajući tomovi. The pulse is thumping, the sky is shaking, the sleeping giant is finally waking. Dream! The sky is calling. Heart of the sky king lifting me high, eye of the airplane crossing the sky. I am the mountain, I am the light. Sén Velor, the king of the night. The king of the night. Grasp the lightning in my bare hands. I am the ruler of the sacred lands. 5 arrows of gold, 1 heart of stone. I'm never falling, I'm never alone. The history is written in my every scar. I'm reaching out for the furthest star.